Hello, this is my setup. I have two Arduinos, short cables, long cables, and a display and a breadboard. An original Arduino from Italy, connected red to 5 volts, black to ground, green to analog in 4, white analog in 5. And I have a Uno from your shop, connected red to 5 volts, black to ground, green to A4 and white to A5. Same setup on both. Wires from your shop, short and long, connected black to black, white to red, gray to green, purple to white on both Arduinos. Same setup. I have a display that I will plug in now. Plugged in like this. Black to ground, white to VCC. Gray to SDA, purple to SCL. I will now plug in my Arduino. Display turns on directly. And then starts displaying text. Short wires work. Now I will disconnect the Arduino. Switch to the long wires. Used in the same order on the same pins. On the Arduino from your shop. The display should have turned on. It does not. Long wires seem broken. I will disconnect and reconnect to the short wires. On the same pins again. I will disconnect the long cables. I will disconnect the short cables. I will connect short cables here again to the Arduino from your shop. And plug it in. And displays seems to start working right away. Short wires work, long wires do not. I want a refund.